Voodoo, what going on, beautiful people? Blessed upon a Sunday morning, man. Me a sweet can there. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, man. See what going on now? We have Bad Granny episode 1 and 2 complete for me this morning. See? So take it in. Sunday dinner time or anytime. See? Yeah, man. And guess what going on now, people? We also have the rum song. You see the rum song in the under my rum? It's out on YouTube. It's on the channel. Rum Tree. Check it out as well. See? Big up on yourself. Oh, we ask them to do now, sweet can. Please.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Alright.
Big up. Big up.
Big up.
Big up. Bad Granny.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Please, no, please, no. What me do?
Hey, girl. You need to go on over the bush.
No, please, no.
Over the bush, girl.
What me do? Please, no.
Little girl. Man.
Let me go. Alright, wait.
Little girl, you have to get up right now. What? Because you're not hearing me. Stand up! Where you going?
Please, no, please.
See that? Not hearing me. I want you to come.
Help!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Help! Shut up your mouth, little girl. Shut up.
School was wonderful today. Yeah.
Take your time and walk.
Alright.
The poor old lady. You're too hot, Ada.
I think they're ready, you know. I think they're ready. I tell you something, they will win this season. I prepare them well, trust me. Hold on. I soon call her back. I think I hear something in the bushes nearby.
Let me go.
Hold on, I soon call her back. That may look good.
I want you to come. For the bush.
Let me go. Help!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Help! Shut up your mouth, little girl.
Help!
You need to shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth before I slap you.
Help!
Shut up! You have to shut up your mouth? Eh? Shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you?
What me do?
How much money you have on you?
Me not have no money. Let me go.
Not hearing me. Hold you to come.
Stop. Help!
Shut up your mouth.
Help!
Hello. You need to shut your mouth. You don't have no money.
No, me not have no money, love me.
Your parents them have money and me need $25.5 million.
Money.
Where is your phone? You don't bring it
No
with you.
have no phone.
Come over this. Come.
No.
Hey, you see this? I don't ramp you now. Go over this.
Please.
Go over there so right now.
All right, please wait.
Go over there so. No. Kneel down. I me say you fi kneel down. You don't understand kneel down. Talking you know, you're wasting my time. You're wasting my time. Turn around. Me need some money from you and you don't have it to give me. And you look over there so and don't look at me. Where is your great grandmother?
We don't have nobody.
Well, listen to me. Hello. Listen to me. Tell your grandmother you're coming to hell to meet her. Anybody is here? I smell somebody. I know somebody was there, you know. We catch her enough. Watch out. Put the boy left his phone. You left your phone. Eh? Left your phone. Eh? You left his phone. Alright. I get no money over there, so but me get one phone. I'll be giving you the last shot, you know. I wonder where you've gone. He's a lucky fella today, you know. Lucky boy. Whoa. Little girl, you ready to give me a hand?
Star. Jesus, please. Yes, super. Yes, sir, I'm on the scene. Hold on, sir. Just stay on the line. Hold on, sir. Super. Same thing again in the boss. Same as the last, as Mr. Boss. The hand severe, same, both hands. Yes, yes, exactly like the first one, sir. Well, I may tell you, sir, because some demonic Satan ritual thing I go on your saying, boss. I same thing. Yes, sir. It's a female, yes, sir. Here what, sir? As soon as we finish this, I come in and give you all of the details. Everything I get here, so. Yes, sir. Boy, I don't know. I don't know what go on in Ireland, for real. In all of my years, them something that does look weird. Boy, I don't know. Trust me. Yes, sir. We have to go deep in that one, yeah. Because I'm sick. What I mean sick individual I do this. Can't make it happen again, boss. We have to go really catch a perpetrator, you know. Yes, sir. I know. Yes, sir. All right, boss. Cool. Jesus Christ, man. Why am I seeing them thing up in that country and other country, them thing oh my God, man. Jesus Christ. God, man. I forgot to deal with this right away. Cha.
Hi, Zach. Good afternoon.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
You know, I've been over by the school and I've been watching you, and you are doing a very wonderful job with the
Thank you.
boys.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah,
So,
man.
you think they're ready for the match on Friday?
Yes, they do. We prep them well, man.
Right. I can see because I've been watching you, and
You,
you're doing a very, very good job.
you're going to see the outcome on Friday.
Please do.
Match day, the ultimate.
Okay.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Well, you know, so we have one class we go back to, so
All right, yeah, man.
we talk.
Okay, teach.
All right.
Come.
Yes.
You're looking lovely as always.
Thank you very much.
All right, see you later.
All right.
All right. I'm on today was a great day, huh?
Yeah, man, but me tired, man. No, I'm going to get some rest. Tired, man.
You can't talk to you. Work hard today.
Yeah, man, that I can see.
Oh, you don't look like you're hurt today. Look.
Me know, man. I know, but tell me tired, man. Yes, man, because I can't find out how I go on. Hello? Hello? Zach, what's the matter with you?
Hey, come, you see that old lady at the gate? The lady at the gate.
This nice old lady who is sitting right here?
Yeah, no, she's not a nice old lady. She's a wicked old lady.
No, Zach, this old lady look like she cannot even hurt a fly.
I'm telling you, she's a wicked old lady. I would just some gruesome act that she has done. Trust me.
No, Zach, I think you're exaggerating. This old lady, look at the lady, she's so harmless.
Come, listen. Go on home. When I reach home, call me. Just head home, please.
Alright, when I reach home, I'll give you a call.
Please, try to call.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Hi.
Yes, come.
Hey, Zach, what's up?
Come, you have to believe me.
Zach, please stop worrying yourself about the old lady. The old lady is harmless. Listen, hear what I want you to do. I just need you to come to school, do your job, and just let this old lady thing go. This old lady is harmless.
That old lady at the gate, she's a villain. She's a wicked. Come. Nice old lady? No, she's not no nice old lady. Come on. Let me tell you this. Come, listen to me. What? Sweet old lady. No, she's not any nice, sweet old lady as you would think. Listen to me. She's a villain. The reason why I run, I know why I run. I'm not a coward, Cam. I'm so sorry but I had, yes. I know that she's onto me. Trust me. So that's the reason why I had to run. Cam, she's a villain. She's a wicked. I witnessed certain things that she has done. Yes. It's the same day that I lost my other phone. The same day I witnessed some stuff that she has done to another young woman. Gruesome stuff. Alright? You don't believe me? Alright? Alright. Come. You have to believe me. Anyway, I'm glad you're home. Alright.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Oh. No.
Hey, Cam.
How you doing?
Hey, Zach, good afternoon. You know, I don't see you at school today, and I came to the ball field to see if I see you, but obviously you're not here. Where are you?
Cam. I can't come to school, Cam. I told her that the old lady is after me. Yes, Cam, I told her that the old lady is after me. Nothing is wrong with me, Cam. No, I don't want to lose my work, but
Trust me, I'm telling you, I'm not at all, but I'm achievement that must will come.
But Zach, you know you can't do that. You can't neglect your work like that. Did you even call the principal to say something was wrong with you?
I'm explain to her. But I can't come to school because that old lady, she's after me.
No, but Zach, not because the old lady is after you. You still have to come to work. You want to lose your job?
no, I don't want to lose my work, but
So come, you don't believe that the old lady is after me?
Zach, to me, that old lady, she just look innocent and like a sweet old lady to me. I don't know if there is anything going on otherwise, but she look like a very nice lady.
So you're saying that something is wrong with me then?
That's what I'm saying. You need help.
I need help.
Yes.
I know she's after me, trust me. I didn't even get any rest last night. Alright.
I'm gonna call the principal.
Please do, and just call me. Yeah, call the principal and call me back.
Alright, I'll soon call her. Hello, Miss Brown, how are you doing? Good morning. I'm not doing wonderful at all. Yes, I'm at the hospital right now. My family had to rush with me early this morning. I'm having a terrible headache. Sorry I didn't get the call this morning. It's very late now. I understand it's break time now. But trust me, I was having a terrible headache this morning. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'll get well soon, trust me. Right. Yes, so I'm going to, yes, right. I'll send in a sick leave with Con. Yes. Thank you very much, Miss Brown. Alright, okay, have a wonderful day, man. Come? Yes.
What did the principal say?
She said, I must just drop off the sick leave. So I told her that I'm going to give her the sick leave to drop off for me. Right, so, yes. I'm going to see if I can get 14 days, because, like I said, I need some rest, eh? Yeah, I need some rest, yeah.
Take some rest and take care of yourself. That old woman is harmless. You don't need to worry yourself about that, Jack. But that's what it looks like to me. And I am scared for you.
Okay. I'm mad, right? Okay. Yeah, man. But anyway, meet me at the bus stop later. Yes. Alright, I go back to class now. Alright, so enjoy your day, right? So I'll be at the bus stop later with the sick leave, right?
Just call me.
Alright, later. Ah, boy. Nobody don't believe me.
Grandma, you alright? You want some help? Miss, you alright? You live alone? Come let me help you. Come let me help.
What is your name?
Jay, come. I'm not even strong, but come let me help.
I need my stick.
You live by yourself?
I live with my 3 grandchildren. You want to come and stay with me?
No, come let me help you inside.
No, I don't want nobody to touch my hat, you know. You're not supposed to touch my hat. Don't do that.
So you don't want me to help you?
Yes, I want you to help me, but I don't want you to touch my heart, man.
Alright, Grandma. Alright, come.
Wait on me. Oh, my knee. The knee them not so good, you know. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
My grandma old just
Oh, what is your name?
Jay.
Jay?
What you name?
Me? Me name Matilda.
Okay.
Yes. I live right here, so.
So your grandkids them in there now?
Them gone on the road.
Okay, watch your step. So 1 foot. Next foot. The other foot. Come on.
You don't come inside with your shoes. I am a grandchild. Seen it out for me the other day.
Okay, take your time. Take your
Yes.
time. Take your time.
You want a little water to drink?
No, alright.
Okay. You can go inside, man. Come inside with me. You can stay right here.
Man, I say easy to frighten.
Hey, come here. Don't do that. Don't.
You're
Why you do that?
Man, how you easy for frighten someone?
It's not easy for frightened.
Hey, but you
Just-
kind of
just a-
stressing on your face still.
Yes, in a way, man, but
I
no good.
yourself to stop worry yourself, man.
But me tell you, there's nothing wrong with me.
Yeah, but you need to stop worry. Something is wrong with you.
No.
See it in your face.
I'm just being on my P's and my Q's, trust me.
Zach, please stop talking about the lady. No, look at lady nice. Look at lady look innocent and nice. Stop talking about the lady like that, Zach.
Camille, you don't believe me?
You are delusional.
Seriously?
Yes. Stop talking about the old lady like that, man. You see the old lady innocent. Something is wrong with her. Cause every time you see you just keep on and mention the old lady. Nothing is wrong with the lady. In your mind, you know. In your mind. It's in your mind.
So you don't believe me?
No, man, I can't believe you come to the old lady often and me no see she do nothing.
So me a madman.
Me no say you're mad, but something happened to you.
Nothing is wrong with me, Cam. I'm telling you.
Leave off for the old lady, man. My God, man.
Anyway, here's the sick leave.
Alright.
14 days.
Alright, I'm going to give it to the principal.
Thank you very much.
So have a good day and take care of yourself. Here, please. Alright, I'll see you.
I'm okay. Looking nice as always.
Thank you, darling.
Alright.
Right. Hello. No, the cars are okay.
Oh. Hey, come.
Hey Zach. Yeah man, you know so me just reach home, but guess what happened? You see the same old lady where you that tell me about, you know, say me fear her follow me from me I come home and even me reach at me gate she was still following me.
You see him old lady following you home? Jeez, come, you serious?
Come on Zach, you know that I'm not afraid. I can take care of myself.
Come, listen to me. Make sure so you lock up your doors and your windows. If you have a knife or a cutlass, make sure so you stay close to it, right? She look harmless, but she's not. Listen, come, listen to me now. Listen to me. She's a villain. She's a wicked old lady. She. Come on, man, please, just believe me, please. But come. Me don't need no rest, come. Just listen to me now, please. Me don't need no rest. Alright, listen to me. Just please. Listen, tomorrow, me I go come to school gate, and me I go follow you home, right? Make sure say be at the gate. When school over, me I go be there, sharp. Yes, and me I go follow you home. Because you don't believe me, you know. I have to follow you home tomorrow. No, me. Listen, I know what's happening. I had an encounter with her in the bushes when she did something really, really bad to another female, and I witnessed it. And so she's onto me, and you are the closest person to me now, so she's coming on to you. So listen to me. Oh my God. Come. This come like, this come like a movie over there or something, man. Me have a meet her tomorrow after school. I'll be there sharp. I'm gonna follow you home and make sure you're safe. Because you're not safe right now. Alright, so tomorrow. Now get rest, but we don't need no rest come. Later. Alright. Sir James. Uncle Dennis. Oh, go on. What dragon, you know? Thing good though. Free, you know. Alright, you know. Alright, sir. All here, man. Everything good. Fly up for me now. Alright, sit down on the front as a little bit. Yes, sir? Yeah, man. I touch the road here. I go past school there. Oh, come now, answer your phone, man.
Have reached the voicemail box of 18768.
So come down and come now. Tell me. Come really report and tell me.
Have reached the voicemail box of 1876.
I can't believe come gone and tell me. My gosh, man. Can't believe to come down and talk phone, man. Pick up the cam.
Have reached the voicemail box
again.
of
I tell him, say the old lady, go out, come. Come now listen, when we talk to come now listen. Come now listen. What I do now? Come. I've been trying to come. What happened to your phone?
The battery died.
I was about to call you that the battery was low. Oh.
Come down here, kill me up. You're laughing, come on, you're laughing. I came for you by the gate, come. I was at the gate waiting all long.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Never always make sure it's my battery charge.
I'm there, I said the old lady, take you away and come.
Jack, you're still on that. That old lady is a very nice lady. That old lady, she's so sweet. Actually, you know, Jack, you need to get some rest.
I'm getting my rest. Listen to me, I'm getting my rest. But nothing is wrong with me, come. I told you that old lady is a very wicked old lady. You scare the life out of me when you're not answering the phone.
You're overthinking it, Jack.
I'm not overthinking anything, come. I just want to know that you're safe. Me know what the old lady. Me know.
I see the old lady and she just look harmless and she just look like a very sweet old lady just doing her day-to-day basic. I don't know why you think she is that bad.
Come, you have to believe me. This old lady is not like what you think. She is a villain. She's an evil old lady. Believe me. Trust me. Just believe me. Alright, listen to me. Tomorrow, make sure your phone charged. I'm going to walk you home tomorrow. I'm on sick leave, but I'm still coming by the school to walk you home tomorrow, okay?
Alright, no problem.
So after school, I'll be at the gate.
Alright, I'll be there.
Alright, be safe now.
Alright, bye.
Thank God. Oh my gosh, come, you scared the life out of me.
Are on edge this evening following the gruesome attack in their community in which a woman was chopped to death. The man suspected of carrying out the attack is now in police custody. on edge this evening following the gruesome attack in their community in which a woman was chopped to death.
My God, I don't know something here really going on in my community and I don't know nothing about it. No, sir.
Come now, charge your phone. Come now, charge your phone. You're supposed to act responsible. Come. I'm a big woman in it. Nice, yeah. Come on, come. Come on, come. Pick up.
Reached the voicemail box of
This looks serious, yo. How many days now? Come, come, pick up, pick up.
reached the voicemail box of
Yes, Jack.
Hey, Mrs. Brown, how you doing? I'm not feeling too bad today.
I've already received the sick leave.
Just getting some rest, you know? Right, but what I really want to ask you, Madam Principal, have you seen Cam? I'm trying to reach out to her for a few days now. I can't get to her. Cam is missing. She has to come to school for 3 days. Madam Principal, this is very serious. Oh my gosh. Madam Principal, this.
Yes. Yes, doctor. And I heard that their family reported it to the police station already.
No, this is not something that Cam would normally do. Madam Principal.
Okay, if I hear anything else, I'll let you know.
Alright. I'll get back to you, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
are you following me? Who are you?
Who are me? See, I dash your money, I'm take up money.
You take up my money? Who are you?
Who are me? See, I dash your money, I'm take up money.
So you take up my money? Did I give it to you? So why you take it up? That means you look, you old thief. Why you take up my money?
See, I dash your money.
Christ. What? Oh. Oh. Super. Yeah, man. Yes. I mean, yeah, man. Same pattern. But I mean, I tell you, this ritual is still a canteen in a boss. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Another victim, boss. Yeah, man. Yes, same hand, both hands. Why we have something for we hand, boss. We don't know how we are going to deal with this in the cars. Trust me, I want to look away. Why, in all of my years, I never seen nothing like this. Nothing like this. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Hold on, look. Yes, man. Gone, my boss. Hold on. Oh, I know that one in the boss. I know who done my ear right now. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, man. All right, super. Yeah, man, I put me under pressure, yeah, man. This coming like way above for me pay grade, you know, man. How I go on there, man? So nobody. Yo, nobody no see I hear nothing, man. No leads, nothing, man. I don't know this thing, boy. I don't know. This thing I come to. Yo, you come deal with this there. Yes, super. No, man, that thing nah, make it look bad, so, man. No, man, but, boss, man, it's something I baffle with, you know. Super. I first be coming and something like this in Jamaica, and I tell you, man, that's something that baffle me. But, yeah, but, sir, super. I get panic, man. As a matter of fact, there's somebody right here we have an interview right now, but every other leads in the reach nowhere. But Mr. Hope said this gentleman I can help you out. Yes, sir. Alright. Yes, sir. I respect. Alright, super. Yeah, man. Thank you. Man, I tell you, man. Boy, that's something. Boy, I don't know. What will you say now? What you say now? What you have to find now? What you can do?
Sir, I know who I cause the chaos in the community.
Look here. A couple of people come here already and tell me and it leads it not reach nowhere.
Sir, me know who.
You sure about that?
Yes, sir. I don't know directly where the person is, but if I carry me down the street and I see a person, I can identify the person.
Boss man, I can't bother with the wild goose chase thing, you know.
No.
A serious matter this.
Serious thing, sir. Because right now I am of the belief that my friend that went missing, I just strongly believe that she do it as well.
You know, no, but me have to follow lead where you tell me now, but I tell you a pure prank call and pure foolishness me I get you to this whole ordeal that started.
All right.
So.
Yeah. Excuse me, you're currently dealing with a missing person case, Camille, right?
Yes.
I strongly believe that the same lady there, what I tell you about now, and she take her away.
Anyway, I can't just left your thing on this side, I have to try, because trust me.
Sir, I know who caused all of the chaos in the community.
Well, anyway.
And cut off people, man, them. I know who, sir.
All right.
I can't carry you.
Me I go take your word for it. Me I go say, you know, my name mother right no, me I go bring you.
Yes.
Now take no, me just say, cause me can't bother the bag around. Pay right, me I right from the other day, the foolishness. I go and bring you there right now. Straight to wherever you come send me right now. Alright?
As I say, I don't know where the person lives, but if I see the person, we can identify the person.
Well, everything starts with one footstep, you know, so I gotta ask if you just come with me.
Yes, sir.
Here, I have to go investigate this.
Yes, sir. Come on, let me show you.
Tired of this thing, I tell you. It has stressed me out.
She, me I tell you, brother, she, see her there? See her there? You see him?
That the woman there?
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Ah, she, make sure you do your gun.
Hold on, man. Come.
Keep an eye on her, sir. Make sure you keep an eye on her, sir, because...
Hold on.
Yes, sir, she. She.
That woman?
Yes, she has been a lot of thing in her ear.
Come with.
She, me see.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
You know this man?
First time I seen him. I never seen him before.
Come here, young man. Come here.
You too lie. And me, look here, and me you shoot after in the bush around here, sir. Me.
I don't know him.
This woman you said?
Yes. Fire about
This elderly woman here.
30 gunshot in fire after me other day, sir.
Lie. This man is crazy.
Well, hold on. Back.
You, Mr. Jack, girl.
Alright, let me get rid of all this stuff here in front of the lady. How much I risk.
Are you, Mr. Jack, one lady going in the bush with knife and that's something, miss? Are you?
Listen to me. I'm with the police department. You hear? Alright, let's cut this tour. You see this man here? I want you personally come down. Listen to me. I want you personally come down the station and make a report about this man. I will personally sign it. How could you?
Yes, personally?
Yes.
Personally.
Listen to me. Boss man, listen to me. You came down to the station and you tell me, say, you have serious leads and you brought me here in front of this lady here. This poor elderly lady can hardly even like she can stand. Listen to me, man. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You know, sir, I could have probably carried myself, go lock you up for waste my time and stuff. Listen to me, man. Anyway, as a matter of fact, I'm in a long argument. Lady, go down the station. You know what? Wherever you come, I don't want to hear nothing from you. You walk where you're going, boss.
Sir, this is not what it look like, you know.
What do you mean what it look like?
She's wicked. She's a wicked.
Like you have some personal beef with this woman. You find your way wherever you live or whatever. You're not coming in that vehicle.
Sir.
Just don't waste my time. Look here, listen. You stand up in front of me. Do not waste my time. Don't waste my time. Listen to me. Go that way. Don't waste. He come like he's a madman.
Crazy.
See, look here. Do not step out foot in my vehicle. All right. Find your way. Find your way home, sir. Find your way.
You cannot leave me here, sir.
Listen to me. Do not put your foot in my vehicle. Find your way home. Go where you come back from. You waste my time, man. Listen to me, boss. Boss, man. You hear what I say? You hear what them say? Light a candle, sing a song. Find your way home. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do not touch my vehicle.
Sir, you cannot
Find your way
you cannot leave me here, sir.
Find your way at your yard.
You cannot leave me here, sir.
All right. That man is a madman to rot it. Sorry for the inconvenience, here, ma'am. You know, sorry for disturbing me. Okay. Yo, all right, colleagues.
if you are hungry. Are you hungry? I said if you're hungry. Are you hungry? You hungry? You hungry? Okay. Dinner is ready. I am coming. Dinner is served. Here is your dinner. I am going to feed you. You can see that you're hungry. Jesus. You must be a faithful woman to your boyfriend. You should be faithful to your boyfriend. Okay? Be faithful to your boyfriend, that's what I said. You crying out your eyeballs.
Hey babe, how was your day?
The day was awesome and you?
Boy, I'm tired man, tired.
Boy, I can see you're really tired. Only participate with your mark today though.
Lord, me, so that's what I'm going to bring home tonight.
Why, I know say I show you a fair mark you all a test paper them because show Christmas and them a do exam.
Yeah, that's what I tell us. I'm not bring home none. Tired, man.
So, you did get something to eat already though?
I did eat one little patty and cocoa bread, but I still kind of feel a little bit hungry.
I would have thought all of you.
Not really nobody important.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, I'm gonna make you get some rest.
You want me to turn off the phone?
No man, that good man.
Old lady, I'm out that road now. Come out that road now, miss. Old lady, come front that road now.
Blow man, make she come out of the road, man.
Sorry now.
Miss, come out of the way now.
Boy, trouble not set like rain and man. Come out the road now, miss. Next time not do that there.
You know who you're talking to? Huh? My name is Matilda. Oh my God! Get out of the car. You step right out. You need to step outside. Come out. Come out. Shut up your mouth. I'm going to feed you. I'm going to feed you now. I don't need no sound from you. You're talking too much. I understand that kind of language. What you're saying under there, you know. You want me to take this off your mouth? Give it to me.
I need to go home. I want to go home.
You want me to put it back again? You want me to do it again?
No.
I
just want to go home.
You're just talking.
I just want to go home.
You need to say you're sorry. You need to say you're sorry. You don't talk again. I will put it back. Okay. I know you're hungry. I am going to feed.
I don't want any hand to eat. No. No, I don't want any hand to eat.
You can eat it.
No, I don't want any hand to eat. No.
I will give you to eat.
No.
Zach. Hi, Zach. Zach. Hi, Zach. Hello. Zach. Do you know me? You remember me? Do you remember me? Zach. Zach. Turn around your. You need to turn around your hand. Zach. You know me, Zach? Do you know me? Zach. You want to take away my script? Hey, Zach. Yeah, baga raga baga chaka chaka chaka. Chaka chaka, raga baga daga. I will come in the night like a thief. Zach, where are you? Zach. Hello, Zach. Yeah, my ancestors is looking for you. Zach, we are not friends, we are enemies. Here you go, Zach. Take it. And I want to do this to you again. It is very lovely doing it to you. Hey, I like it.
Ah! Shoot! Ah! Oh, this. Ah! No! Ah! Why? Yeah, man. I could think about that, man. I tell a lot of people about it, and nobody tend to want to believe me, you know.
It's about that now.
See the old lady with them call Granny. Witness one gruesome act where she commit, bro.
Granny.
Yeah.
Oh man. Granny there.
So yeah, tell me, say, yeah, behave like the others what me I try to tell you, say, Granny wicked.
I don't have that. That Granny no. Never see that Granny there again.
You know Granny will walk with the something, so.
Oh yeah, say man.
Yes.
Granny they live with one bridge up there, so.
Who that?
I do remember when you name me, man, but me know Granny. No Granny.
Which part of the bridge they live?
I want to go out on the road out there, so man, and take a left turn, man. I want to continue then the next door in your yard. On your left hand, when you go out there, so take a left turn up there, so.
Oh, right, this part of you live?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
The container there, son, and it also.
Right.
Granny used to do that, man, there?
Yeah, man, around 2 years then left.
So, all that man, they not dead? If it's a joke, I make. Eh?
Yeah, I say Granny wicked, me don't know after that.
I must lucky that man lucky. Me need to know who that because me know say yo brother. Me see Granny do a thing. That's why I'm not at school now. Cause you know say.
Right now if you go up there right now you see that the man is sitting on the veranda.
Yeah, I forgot to go up there. I need to know that man there. I saw sick leave me there on him. I'm not at school right now. Because a granny why I'm in that school because she after me. You see this? I have to walk with it every day.
Ah, so you don't have to walk with that. Granny, sir, no Granny is no harmful person. No, sir.
Dear man, yeah. Tell your brother, she terrible, she terrible. She have a gun. You don't believe me?
I first me hear of this.
But say, don't underestimate her, Bridget. She have gun. So what I say her? She have a gun in her, sir. Right in her, sir.
Breast them big still, you know?
Yes, she have a gun, brother. But me I tell her, say, yo, don't. Bridget, me I tell her. She's serious.
Well, I'm not telling no lie. Me always see him as an easygoing person.
Yeah, that's how she look. But what I saw over the bush that day, because I was coming from school, and me and one little crying out over in the bush, and when me go over there, and nothing good.
Somebody pan gun point?
Virgin, me say, I don't want to even talk, but brother, and nothing good.
The granny no stay so, man.
You mean she not stay so? You don't believe me?
No, sir. I don't believe that.
See her.
No, kid. How is that, brother? This someone like him crazy to blow out. Hi. on the dog. Miss, I get a light now. They get a light now. Alright, respect. Yo, occupy, don't know, so we need to give back our lady a lighter, you do. You see?
Oh God, I want old man and not to do it once.
No, man, we not give back our lighter, man. We are like this, you know.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. See you in hell.
Hold on. You see now, health department. Okay, good.
Yes. But then I would have to double check and let you know, because those cases are usually rare. Yes. Sasha, hold on for me, please. Or let me get back to you. I'm getting a call. Yes. Hello, good evening.
Hello? Yeah, hello. Yeah, man. Uh-huh. Is this the mental health department? Great, good. How are you doing? Good afternoon. Yes. Well, actually, what happened? I'm Detective Vasil. I'm affiliated with the Return Police Station.
Oh, hi, detective. How are you? Yes.
It's just something I'm calling you about, I want you guys to see if you can help the situation. Huh? Pardon me? Oh, no. All right, just listen me out. Yes, all right. It's a young lad that's here around the place here, fairly young lad, which I think he really needs some help. Yes. No. It seems like somebody were probably just getting a little schizophrenic like or so forth, cause him clean and so forth, but yeah, him causing a little bit of problems and stuff like, doing false report.
Wow. Do you have a picture of him? Because I would definitely need a photo.
And stuff, but him look quite fine if you see him, but trust me. Right, yeah. Good. He's not really ready up there, so right, yes. So what happened now, want to make sure say just give him a little help, because what happened, he don't really look too far. I'm kind of concerned about him. Right. Huh? Yes. No, actually no. Well, what happened, and I don't have a picture with me now, but I can get it off of the surveillance at the station. Yeah, man, you know. So you know who you're talking to. Right, so you know me. Good. Yeah, man, it's me, man. Yes, with the mustache. I mean, the beard. Yeah. It's me, same one. So actually, more you guys just work on that for me quick because I'm kind of concerned about him. All right? ASAP, may I beg you, please. All right? Okay, what's your name? Okay, all right, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, definitely. Bye.
All right, I'm going to send you I'm going to personally ask for you. Yeah. Thank you very much. All right? Yeah, man, bye. I'll send it. I tell you. All right.
Come! Come!
I'm gonna introduce you to my friends. You need to walk. Welcome to my friends. We're at the gate. Can you see? Stop looking at me like that. Look. See this place? These places is where all of my friends is. I'm going to introduce you to them. I told you before. Are you tired?
Yes, sir. Why are you?
Hi, your name is Doc? Good afternoon. Alright, so my name is Dr. Blake and this is Mr. First Class. We are from the mental health department. Alright, so it's okay. We're only here to help. Alright? So don't be scared.
Relax. Yo.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared,
Relax.
sir. We're only here to help you. Alright?
Come with me.
Alright, we are only here to help you. We are only here to help you. Alright, it's okay. Just come with us in the car. We are only here to help you. Alright?
Don't answer me, man.
Listen, no, you're not crazy. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. We're only here to help you, Zach. Alright?
What's
Zach, it's fine. As I said, we're only going to be giving you some help, alright?
It's right, you know. Yo, me no mad.
We are not saying that you're crazy, Zach. We're not saying that you're crazy. We're only here to give you some help, alright? You want to go anything? Go over somewhere, Zach.
Yo, what is this?
Zach, as I said, just relax yourself, alright? We are only here to help you, alright?
Where are you?
Shoot. Oh my gosh. Ah. Ah.
I don't know who I am. I think my favorite report. Yes, super. Yeah, man. Right. You know, you say anything happening, you know, if you just call it right away, you're the first one, you know. Yeah, man. Scenes of crime, then come and do them thing already, you know, and yeah, dialysts come and them take the body them already. Yeah, so me just have to just go do my thing, cause you know, I'm here, but I wasn't really that early, so everything done process and gone. But me just have to do my thing. And actually, super, let me tell you something. This is clear cut. Actually can pick up a who. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Actually pick up a who did this, boss. Yeah, man. Clear cut. Clear cut. Same gentleman when me send go get help, and the same people them this happened to. So obviously, you know, sir, don't worry yourself. Me have that one, man. Me got this. Me got this. You understand me? That same gentleman that came down to the station the other day and make a report I told you about. Yeah, man. He's the one that actually I went to get help with these same people. Now actually this happened. So you done clear cut. So actually he's well, he's not really say you would even use the word edged. Is him, man? Definitely, sir. Is him, man? Definitely him, sir. Right. Yeah, man. Because I seek help for him with these same people. And actually this happened with them, so you don't know. Yes, sir. No, man. Result. Yeah, super. Result. Let me tell you something that can solve that one, man. Yes, sir. All right, super. Yeah, man. I tell him I'm going to make you look good, man. I'm going to make you look good. All right. Yeah, man. All right. I'm just going to finish up for me, though. Super. I'm going to tell you I'm going to make you look good, man. Anyway, I'm going to tell you what I have to do, you know. At least what I have to do. Because I have to put him on the most wanted list and I put him on top. Right. Yes, sir. Having picture. Yeah, man. Anyway, yeah, I mean, I forgot to put up a reward now. So what you say now? Where the Yeah, man, that's 100,000 sound good, man. Yeah, man, we get called for that. So we're going to put up to 100. Yeah, man. Let me not tell you, boss. All right, man. All right, boss. Respect. All right, super. Yeah, man, take care. Right, I tell you. Ah, yes.
Hey, Madam Principal, how you doing? Yeah, man. Boy, I tell you, man. Not feeling well, same way, trust me. I don't know. Yes. I might have to submit some further sick. Right. Yeah, man, I can do that tomorrow. Right. But you know, Madam Principal, trust me. I can't really come to school now, to be honest. Yes, because Cam is missing. Cam is missing. So right now, I am, you know, in search of her right now. Yes, Madam Principal, I'll submit the sick leave. Right. Okay, Madam Principal. I hope you do understand, Madam Principal, because I'm not feeling well, plus Cam is missing. So. Oh, that's really bad news. Well, if so be the case, if you have to get another teacher in my space, then. Okay then, Madam Principal. Thank you. I have to find Cam. Trust me. I have to find Cam. Even if I ever lose my work, I have to find Cam.
Come. Come.
Come. Indian. Tell me how jog on now. See? Fly it up to me now. That good man. That good man. Yeah, what going, Chief?
Yes, sir. Respect, sir.
Blessings, can I come race with you?
Yeah, yes, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Real, man. Yeah, man, my name is Zach, you know?
My name is Williams, sir.
Okay, you know, sir, it a prompt me from another day to come talk to you, Mr. Williams.
Yes, sir.
You know, I have a bridging around by Cooley Town. He told me that you are the husband of Granny.
Yes, sir. My granny husband, sir.
Jeez, you see, so how come you're alive?
Well, you know, me kind of afraid her enough for she are very dangerous. So when he come in, me scared because she have a lot of blood on him.
Blood?
Yeah.
On her?
Yeah. So me not really go against her. But when time me go against her, she name up me hand like a cannibal.
Name up your hand?
Yeah.
Jeez,
I report him to the police.
You try to report her already?
Yeah. So the police intervene now.
So they don't lock her up?
Well, them can't hold him if I move.
Oh, they no ties to her. Okay. They have strong evidence to know so she.
No.
Okay. So why are them think that where you live?
That's right. Yes. But I have gun, so me afraid of her.
You have gun?
Yeah.
Me know so she have gun. Me know that, you know, but a lot of people don't believe me.
We shoot you too.
Them don't know. That's why I'm glad I come find you. Because you see it, everybody out there feels say a foolishness man.
And you alone if you go, you kill the police with you.
No, but Virgin, nobody no believe me, I tell you. So the one me I go do now, me would want me and you who hold her with the gun.
And she very original.
Yeah.
For when you see police are coming, that's the gun.
Eh?
Yes, like innocent.
Alright, so you want to go on? Me and you capture her?
No, not me. Me not going, me not interfere in that, sir. It's you and the authority to go.
I've got to try a thing upon my own, you know. Me go and capture her.
You have to try careful.
Me I got solve a case of the police because them can't solve it. Them not no use.
I believe the police are afraid of him too.
But listen what go on. She's dangerous, you know.
More dangerous because she's smart.
Anyway, Mr. Williams, I'm going to move. Nice to meet you still.
Well, sir, thank you very much, sir, for giving you the advice about her.
Right. My name is Zach, as I say, and
yes,
I'm a teacher.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Zach.
Yeah, man. And I haven't been to school from ages because of her.
Well, you have to scare her when you see her, you have to dodge her. If she hold you, she'll go mash you up.
Anyway, I'm not going to make that happen, you know. But anyway, I'll keep you posted.
All right.
Right?
That's right, sir.
You got yourself,
thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Tell me what's going on when you're done.
I can do this. Come. I have to find you. I'm happy make them arrest the old lady there. But me I gotta make them arrest her first. Then we'll question her which part there. I can do it. Don't move. Hey, hey, wake up. Don't move. You're gonna get locked up. Yes, man. I mean, see
What is wrong with you? What are you doing inside here?
Yes, you're going to jail.
Huh? That is mine, you know.
Me know so few. Every time I tell the police them say you have gun, now them are gonna know say you have gun.
You're not supposed to touch it.
You're not supposed to touch it. At jail you go.
You need to shut your
Don't
mouth.
move.
Mind you pull the trigger. You're not supposed to touch it.
Hello.
Mind you pull the trigger.
Mind me pull trigger. Don't move, you know.
Where you going?
Hello. Listen me I tell you.
How you come inside here?
Oh, me come in here. Hold on. Don't move.
You're breaking my place, man.
Me breaking your place. You got jail. Me I call the police.
Put it down. Put it down.
Don't move, you know.
What you doing?
Me I call the police. Don't move.
Why you calling the police?
Me say, yeah, me say, Granny, what make you so wicked?
Stop hollering out my name. Put it down. Put it down. You will put yourself in big problem.
Yes. Me I call the detective. You see one me carry. Make him sit them here.
You will put yourself in big problem. You need to put it down.
You now come back from prison. Yes, sir. Sir. Yes. See you to make the reporter bring around the old lady with them called Granny. Right now, big and bold. Yes, sir. Me there in our house right now. One long gun and one shotgun in here. She have it in here. And she laugh.
You need to take your hands
Yes, come right over the house. Fast, boss. One long gun and one shotgun. Yes.
Put it down. Leave me alone.
One long gun and one shotgun. She have,
Hey, you're pulling me. Why are you pulling me like that? Hey, stop it. Stop it.
Me not pull you.
You're hurting me.
Come fast, boss. Don't have me there right now. See, you gun them there.
You're hurting
Right
me, you
now.
young man.
Yes. Come right now, fast.
Oh, Jesus. I will tell the police when they come.
Tell
This-
Don't move in. Officer Rich. Yes, ma'am. See her? Yes, officer Rich. No, man. I fear I'm going to.
Drop them.
Eh?
Drop them.
Come for them now.
Drop your weapons, boss.
I don't mind.
Drop your weapons. Drop your weapons.
You got jail, man.
You are. Drop your weapons, boss. Hands up in here.
Me?
Yes. Hands up.
And she is.
Boss man, you can't take directive. You don't like it, like hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Come here, boss man. Come here. Come right here. Come here. Come here.
Officer, I just come mine.
Listen to me. Come here, boss. Come here.
Mr. Have the case.
Come here. Turn around.
Boss, I just cut that mine, you know.
Turn around. Zinsa, hands up, boss.
Mr. Have the case here, you know.
Hands up. Put your hands behind the back.
Officer, what
Put
is
your hands behind the back.
What is one now? See the lady there in the so.
Listen, man.
I see her wicked, you know.
That's all I say.
What are the media and coffee go? Man, she have something else in there, boss.
Look here, man. You think I'm a barn yesterday, I'm a fool?
Boss,
no, boss, man. You not hear me? Just stay away there. Come here, man. Sit down right there, sir.
Officer, man, I don't.
Sit down right there, sir.
May I help myself with case?
You can't take. Hold on.
No, that I just.
Your arm to the teeth. Sit down. Sit down.
I know my gun them, ask me my gun them.
Look here. Alright. Yo, I will kick your shadow last, you know, boy. You can't follow the directive. Stay one place. Your arm to the teeth. Hold on. Watch out, man. Man, about.
I don't want to go them there, boss. I only go them, boss.
Hold on, man. This is all you have here?
I don't mind go them, boss.
AR-15. Look here. Your arm to the teeth.
Sir.
Machete. AR. No, sir.
They're not mine.
I don't even have them kind of weapon in our police force.
They're not mine, sir.
Quiet. Hello.
Those are not my guns.
Lady. Oh, she's still alive.
Sir.
Come here for me. Stay away there, boss, man. Stay away there. Stay away there.
You have to watch her, you know.
Come here for me.
Believe me, man.
She's a
wicked, you know.
You cannot escape this one.
She's a wicked, you know.
You can't escape this. You alright, miss? You okay? You alright?
Sir, I feel listen to the fingerprint I say. Here I go, man.
Boss man.
Mine. Alright.
Stay right there, sir. Stay right there, sir. No man, I can't believe it. See how they big. Look here.
It's not what it look like, boss.
The way it look like, you're a ghost cook, you know. You know what years you look on? Double and triple them, yeah. You know what? And you come back here again on the woman?
Assault the case here, man.
Which case? You're police?
No, boss.
Yo, right. Listen. You mean from the other day when I come here and you find yourself back up here, assault the woman? Excuse me, ma'am. Did you went down to the station the other day and make a report as I told you? You're not hearing me?
You have to speak up a little.
I said, did you went down to the station and make a report the other day when I told you? Alright, let's cut the story. You see this man here? I want you personally come down.
I can't hear you so well.
Listen to me. I want you personally come down the station and make a report about this man. I will personally sign it. How could you?
You know, sometimes I forgot when people talk to me and tell me to do things. I didn't remember to go down there, sir.
Okay, anyway, did he touch you? Did he touch you?
He touched me and touched me right here.
Thank you very much.
Here.
Listen to me. That is a neck away. Slap him with another charge.
This boy.
Yes, man. We're going to charge him with sexual misconduct.
This boy have for me long time.
We're going to charge him with weight.
Yes.
We're going to charge him with weight. Come, stand up. Stand up.
He almost
Get
take
up,
off my
boy.
clothes.
Get up. Go on, man. Go on, IG, man.
Officer. He ripped my brassiere. Yes.
Go on.
Not like that, man.
Go on up, sir, boss. Sorry for you know. They're going to goose cook.
Bad Granny.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
You have made it to the end of episode 2 of Bad Granny. Yeah, man. You are going on, people. I just want to thank you all. Yeah, man. I just want to thank you all for the support. Yeah, man. If it is that you're new to this channel, welcome on board. Welcome to Maggy Films. I always tell you, you know, 1 Maggy Films and 2, right? Yeah, man. So, you are going on. With all that being said, people, a hard work to this. Believe me. Whole heap of sleepless night. I sit down and edit and all them things there. You understand? Just to make sure say you want to have this movie to watch. To entertain you guys. I know when I put out the movies them and I now see the subscribe rate go up. You heard me out and way still, but I still don't feel discouraged, you know. But people, I just want to urge, you know. Just subscribe. You understand? I soon comment and yeah, I love that. But I now see the subscription rate go up. You understand? Yeah, man. And that me I put in the work for, you know, for build the thing and for entertain, you know, and for build the channel. You understand? So, I urge you to subscribe. And another thing again, I just want to thank you overall, yeah, man, because without you, it couldn't be possible. It would never be possible, people. So, thank you. I can't thank you no more. But do remember, subscribe, right? It don't cost a thing. It don't cost no money. Nothing out of your phone, nothing out of your computer. You understand? It's just to, you know, that when I upload another content, you will be the first to get it. That's it. Yeah, man. So just subscribe, man, and make a build thing. And you don't know Maggy Films, they are phone, you know. Yeah, man, for bringing in a bad movie, them phone, make you sit down and say, yo, wow. Yeah, man. That's how we do it, man, and hard work. Whole heap of hard work and research and things, see? So, yeah, man. My brother Richard Brown, I'm going to play one ad right now for him, right? Yeah, man. So, if it is that you need any of the service that he'll be providing in the ad, just feel free to contact him, right? Yeah, man. And big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, 1 Maggy Films, never 2. See?
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services, In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
Hold on. Remember now, Tino, Dr. Jevan Samuel's podcast. Remember, man, health come first, don't put it last. Go on over there, go subscribe, like, share, do what you want with the video them. See? But make sure, say, when you learn something about your health, right? Yeah, man. See it here. Boom.